Hey guys, it's Becky. In 2017, I decided that I am going to subscribe to a kit again. The last kit club I subscribed to was Scraptastic, and they're not doing scrapbooking anymore. So I decided to subscribe to the Noel Mignon kit, and this was recommended to me by one of our fellow YouTubers, Kristen. So I will link her down below if you want to check her out. She does a lot of vintage junk journals, and they're really neat. So you can check her out. I will link her down below. So this kit came with 5 cardstocks. It's honey. They're all American craft cardstocks. Vanilla. Light craft. Waterfall. It's kind of a minty aqua. I don't know if you can really tell. And then this is salmon. Okay, this kit also comes with 16 papers. This is from that new Hazelwood, the One Canoe 2. And the collection's called Hazelwood. It looks like an American Crafts. Yes, it is. It's an American Crafts brand. They must have a new brand. And this one is called Hazelwood. The collection's called Hazelwood, but this pattern paper is also called Hazelwood. It's the cut-aparts. And on the back are these, I guess those are fern leaves. This is also from Hazelwood. It is called Flock. A bunch of butterflies. And then a navy metric. Ooh. This one is called Quartz. It is also from the Hazelwood. It's kind of neat. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Okay, there are some papers from the Reset Girl. Now, I did already get some of this collection, so I'm going to put what I already own in with my kit. This one is Like a Boss. This one is You Got This. Like a dressmaker's pattern. It's kind of neat. It's pretty. Nice and simple. I like it. Okay, this is from Echo Park. It is Joy Parade, and this one is called Wrap It in Color. I haven't really checked this collection out much. I think it's kind of leans toward birthdays. This reminds me of Basic Gray's Prism. This is also from Joy Parade. It is called Laugh Out Loud. This is kind of a lemony lime color. And some diagonals. This is from Echo Park. And it's a Just Be You collection. This one is called You Can Do It. There are arrows. And words. I would like to see some new stuff. I mean, we keep seeing the gems and the arrows shine and beautiful, and I don't know. I would like to see some new types of stuff. I don't know what, because I'm not a designer, but someone needs to come up with something. That'd be awesome. This is from that same collection, Just Be You. It is Follow Your Heart. Interesting. This is from Just Be You, and it is called Shine Bright. Pretty. don't love plaid, but actually I really like this one. This is from that same collection, and it is called Smile. See, I feel like I've seen this before. Little circles. I bet those are 1 inch. I bet you can use a 1 inch circle punch on those, although they are kind of wonky. But cute. Okay, these are from the Maggie Holmes Gather, and I also have some of this collection I will throw in with this kit too, I guess. This one is called Jean. Sunshine. Beautiful. And Kindred. This might be my favorite paper from this collection. I did get a couple of them. So I already own some of those, like I said. I was super happy to see the Hazelwood come in because I was on scrapbook.com today and saw it on there. I did not buy it though. The whole point of doing the kit club was I thought I could save money and not do so much shopping. So we'll see how that works out. I might just be shooting myself in the foot, right? And spending twice as much. So these are the puffy stickers. Those were super cute. Super duper duper cute. I like these. This is the chipboard, and it is called Darling. This is from that Hazelwood too, I believe. I'll just get it out of the packaging so it doesn't have such a big glare. And oh, looky there, it's doing the chipboard thing, not sticking. This is just a little shape. That's what they look like. And it does have another side. Jot it down. I've been doing a lot of writing lately, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Then we got the Fitzgerald font thickers in this kind of a teal color. I'm not going to take them out. We've all seen these. In fact, I have a pack of these I've already started using, which I will also stick in with this kit. We have this Echo Park stencil. It is called the Modern Dot Stencil. We have some Alphas by Prima. These are kind of neat. They have like bling on them. The only thing that bothers me is I haven't seen on any of those other papers. I didn't see anything in this tone. This is like that ballerina Supergirl bubblegummy Pepto-Bismol looking pink. It's, for me, difficult to use. But it's kind of neat. I guess those aren't so much bling as they are silver foil. Okay. These are the Echo Park Joy Parade Sentiments puppy stickers. This is what they look like. They don't smell good. In fact, just as soon as I pulled them out of there, I got a whiff of it. That's why I just put it up to my nose and smelled it. They do smell like rubber. Like those jelly shoes. Remember those jelly shoes? That's kind of what they smell like. So that is what came in the scrapbooking kit from Noel Mignon. But I also got the daily diary kit because I am going to do Project Life in 2017. I did it last year and I did not do it in 2016. Oh, actually, you know what? Big fat liar. Embellishments. I'm sorry. Forgot to show you the embellishments. You got this ribbon. This is by May Arts. This is a self-adhesive suede fringe. And it is also by May Arts. Not sure how I feel about that. I never got into the fringe. Even when the fringe was a big deal this year, never did get into it. Okay, we got 4 washi tape rolls. And they're all from the Hazelwood. I've been biting my nails really bad lately. It's a holiday thing. I told you guys in one of my last videos that I check out between October and December. I can't wait for it to be over. I don't know, it just stresses me out. I get so anxious. So this is kind of like a pink with a little diagonal pinstripe. Super cute. At work today, where I work, there's only one other female that works there. And she had gotten me like 6 rolls of washi tape, one of the things she gave me for Christmas. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll show you this cup she got me. It's really cool. I have never seen it, and I don't know where she got it. This is kind of a honeycomb pattern. I get to be off for the next 4 days. Yay. So it should be fun. Maybe I will actually hit my December goal, huh? Doubt it, but it's possible. This is really pretty. I love this. Okay, then we got these Prima flowers. These are called crocheted flowers. These are really cute. I like those. Those are neat. Those are going to be fun. We got 4 clips from the Reset Girl. It's kind of neat. Okay, we got 7 Gather die cut shapes. So it's kind of weird. I did buy a one-off kit from them before, but I don't remember it having split up stuff. Maybe it did. I mean, apparently they do that. So those are the 7 pieces I got. We got these jelly bean soup sequins. They're pretty cute. We got the Gather stamp set. Tim Holtz Distressed Ink in Scattered Straw, which I do not have. I have the mustard seed. And there's one other one that has a kind of a yellow tone, but I do not have this one, so that's cool. Okay, these are from Jelly Bean Soup. They are chowder soup vellum bags. These cork shapes are from Fancy Pants. These flare buttons are also from Fancy Pants. It says, live it up and enjoy the ride. And then here are some Hazelwood enamel shapes. So that really is all that came with the scrapbook kit. But like I said, I did get the daily diary. I will show it to you. I'm going to combine those 2 kits together, I think. Okay, we got the Echo Park Just Be You Alpha stickers. Oh no. Mine is broken. Boo. Probably I'll survive. Move these. This is the Just Be You. Look, mine got wrinkled. This is the Just Be You cut aparts. And they are called 4x6 journaling cards. These are called Notes from Hazel. It is from the Hazelwood, and it's the cut apart. Because remember, this is the daily diary kit, so. And so we got the cut aparts. Okay, we got 6 6x6 sheets. It says they're assorted sheets from Hazelwood. Only, these aren't Hazelwood. No, 1 second. Okay, I'm supposed to have 6 6x6 sheets from the Hazelwood, but this looks suspiciously a lot like, yes, the Gather collection. This is not Hazelwood. So, did she run out? I don't know. She sent more than 6, but sadly, I already have this 6x6 paper pad, and it would have been lovely to have the Hazelwood. So that kind of sucks. That's okay. We got these Hazelwood stickers. That's what they look like. Those are super cute. Man, I wish I had that those 6x6 papers. Dang it. I am by nature not someone that calls a company and complains, so don't even think that's going to happen because it's not. Let's see. Okay, I should have 5 of these Prima glittered paper flowers. These are really cute. I just now recently started getting into flowers. I mean, like paper flowers. They're really cute. I love them. Got this ribbon. God, it feels like silk. Let me read what it says. Yep, it is a pink silk ribbon by May Arts. I mean, you can feel it. It feels so good. I kind of just want to rub it on my face. Okay, get 2 more rolls of washi tape. And these are also from Hazelwood. God, I can't even read that. Remember this. Something, something, something. Jot it down. Very small. I guess you could put that in your planner. I did put some washi tape in my planner today. I was so proud of myself. Because, like I had said, the girl at work had given me some, and I had my planner with me sitting at work, so I put it in there. Okay, we got the Reset Girl enamel shapes. Some more sequins by Jelly Bean Soup. Pretty Little Studios cut aparts from Hello Heather. Okay, these are word stickers from the Reset Girl. So you get 2 sheets of those. 2 paper clips from Hazelwood. 6 die cuts from Hazelwood. I guess this is where they broke up the package again. Only, it looks like they sent me 7. Thank you. Doesn't make up for messing up the papers though. Alright, then we got cards, and they're from The cards are from Fancy Pants and also Simple Stories. Okay, so these ones, maybe not. I think the rest of these are single-sided. Today I feel. That's neat. I'm getting tired of the sprinkles and the donuts too. God, I am just complaining all night. Delete, 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 right? It happened like this. These are from Hello Heather. Hello Heather is a Pretty Little Studios line. Not impressed with those, not gonna lie. Sorry, Pretty Little Studios. These are also Hello Heather. Already I like this way better. I don't know, it's just... No, I don't know, it just looks weird. This looks okay. Not sure I would have went for black. See, this is all scripty, and this is very harsh. Those lines, I don't know. This is cute. That's cute. That's cute. That is off center and is annoying. Negative. Okay. So then I also got this stamp. Oh, I guess I could just show you the back. From what I gather, maybe not, I thought you could stamp it with this or without that, but it doesn't appear that that's the way you can. I guess you can technically get a screwdriver and take that off if you didn't want that border. But it's a date stamp and it has this border. Or you could just put some washi tape over it, block it, mask it. Which is good because my date stamp runs out this year. So hopefully I will love this one. We'll see. Okay, that really is it from this Noel Mignon, the Noel Mignon kits. Let me show you the cup that my friend at work gave me. Okay, she gave me this mug and it's called Just Add Color. And it comes with 4 colors, but I was writing on them, or I was coloring in with Sharpie. There's the colors it comes with. I was coloring on it with Sharpie. And I guess after you apply that color, you color it all, and then you bake it, and then you use it as a mug. It says not to put it in the dishwasher after you bake it and after you color it and bake it, but very, very cool. I'd never seen this. It's very neat. Love it. All right, I don't know if I mentioned it. This kit was called, let's see, Little Bird Classic Kit and Little Bird Daily Diary Kit. So if you liked it, head on over to Noel Mignon and have a look. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.